Ebusian for my mom, Aquaba, and found Bragana, Sam TVGH, Mesro, like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime you post a video with Seria, we sound like heavy. Ebusian for shall be. Na nipa share no. Ideally, Sir Ghana, or mind be a working nation. Sa nipa, we should be able to find her or your prison system. I say a prison database mo. Because nipa no I dare a friend say defraud by false pretense. I believe say nipa no is guilty of it. Ebusan for nipa asema yeka ma maybe yen na yen as Sansa Daly. Now, Edian say Mambekaya last year when the president became, when he was sworn in, or started appointments be. Now, some of my friend no Anansa Daly on your appointment to the Board of National Health Insurance. After the appointment, issues arose about any qualifications. Apparently, she had carried out herself, say, oh yeah, a medical practitioner. And we also saw some files that are alleged to be a claim certificate. Or the data. Or mining in her. Now, what happened? And they say, after people raise issues about Mameno and any qualification, what was done, and he said her name was changed. But as Omaya and Muno, and looking at how tightly regulated the health profession and with the fact say San Nepa prior to his appointment no have a slot now or slot be a ultimate hosting health program our TV stations no many Ghanaians believed say idea Bianca must not have ended there, and that the woman or the lady in question should have been prosecuted because emra wo ho a sorry tia ade a mameno ye, and those laws must have been allowed to work. Now me sure so say sa ade no say MPP ni bi na ye ya, and I'm not even sure say we should be looking for the person. The police would have been dragging the person up and about. And Yebisa say, where is Anansa Daly? We need to know her whereabouts. So the police did not see it fit to prosecute the lady. So you are seeing why we are saying, say, they say no, we have laws that are for people in power and then laws that are for people in opposition. We need to know. We need to know. And you see, when some of these people are not used as examples, by encouraging more people in your society to follow same pattern. Yeah. Ochina Obi will not just end at their level. It me friends or a medical doctor maybe nipa or your campaign no debut. Ochina be or nipa obi sorry ko surgery. Bra only any medical qualification. So we want to know. Ghana Police Service, you must answer, where is Anansa Daly? Are you prosecuting her? If you are not, why are you not prosecuting her? We need to know.
As I say, NDC my history guiding woman. Say woman who say they are so corrupt. Say bibi omdu omo sabeke bia corruption ka ho. nti yetimi tan 90 billion yesi yedi kodua abeduro ni afa 300 and something billion yesi akode yedi akoto sanitary pad wahu bibi omo ye ya ton gold aboka what be that 9.6 billion ya boka nti Bank of Ghana ba ye fede say parliament yesi ye ma Bank of Ghana nkasa ne ma ne kasa sidi ne besay ye kata numbers ne so. This should tell the NDC something. And the only approach I say so we want to say okay, we should gag people. Yeah, me obi ankasa bi. Yeah, more than so obi obe criticize government in bia ye bepe kwan before so afa so achenato. Yente tribunal. Yem find this if want to ano obi obe kasa locality within 1 week mo fa nko prison. Na ya no mu refi. Omu refi say sad we enye sustainable. Obeya kosi sei dakro senya abato ne yedi betu afri ade so a obi di tuo betu afri ya se ne nya di tuo tu afri ade so a wasem ye mobo wo situation ye mobo enu ntina se wo ye Ghana ni na wo ye badwemba wakosu kakra wo ma history a guide wa eza hu se sa normal way sa normal way ebi asipen na enye nipa bebre yi so ho sa normal way ebi asipen na enye nipa bebre yi because say no approach nyina ne say yem modern say ye becheche MPP fo ni nyina obi o kaseti aban de yente nko obi de bi ba mu no obi de bi ba mu Charlie. Obi di dede bia bempa o.
Una tompa boy, won shafa boy opi. Iko wana ti.
Yini free so.
Menim ni pakra o di dede sa ba mu. Enti se omu tie de e kan na, enti no omu mpe school no. Asem ni nyina ne se unhu asate ye omanfo no hu ahi. Even within the NDC for. Because you ha and a whole president, a whole ethnic group, Achim mafia. Now go Italy, now we share the mafia group. Send your money now label a whole ethnic group, Achim mafia. Ekufuado say and to make us ask same way for Gonja for what would have happened in the country? Yawaha. A whole president or Tisu Fred Dr. Baumi. Also, we are talking about the economy, stupid.
Maybe no, stop, bro.
Or Fred Baumi are stupid. President here, what is say? I says, was a man voting at any, you know. Right? Offer Kevin Taylor. Diobiatem. Mudiatama, Mamu Fred, who force or a cripple now on what Tiwemu yet the also free in which him. But because Anansa phone and boom mining, no say, oh, yes, these are the SSS, but we are Nyansania, Sanoma, we won't kaka at the top level. I've heard the old buy near Mao, the same dose, we can the same dose in Impo. Yamauka Krebia Wega, and I didn't the president at them. In the entity warm. Now, how sustainable is this? Ubechini Parodo say. Send an assistant Ekano.
I know Obechi.
Yes, say TikTok, no. People are talking around the whole world. This is
very soon you free and you X.
Yes. Says and this is ube any day. Ube TikTok for nyina. Then obey.
Enko siaga.
And Mr. President, concentrate on your mandate. Who are 24-hour economy to deliver? Who are getting to deliver? Who are sanitary pad so are the better man for?
Who
was man? Deliver on those promises. Nejai, innocent people. Camilla Lasa Aquachini, look at the spectacle. Now, soldier for Rambo style. Nipa bedi and then police what said here. Welcome Nipa. Camilla Lasan. When mami we so tremanso. President we go when mas na and this for na bebre na after they are bowing their head in shame. Mama was there. bebe aban ne kɔ na nyɛ fɛ afɛ de Martin Pebu tibi ko gyina radio say hey ɛne ensɛm yɛ kakyɛ akufo de nko bɛkyi atomo omo nyina they are ashamed na obi a wotu president ne phone won hwɛ yi because these things wouldn't deter people. Jerry John Rawlings omo nso history o Jerry John Rawlings military aban soldier aban okum nipa but still people were bold to criticize Rawlings. They criticize it. Omo criticize man be che omo kotum ade be che obi foforo so be ye. Nse se de na be ye. De na be Mr. President. Ugu ho ani masse. Na me fa masse mi si na obi so meka bi. Na de meka nyina ne MPP fo nyina din. The victory is ours. Wo hwe de normal ka na NDC for ho bon by the day.
The victory is ours.
Correct, pa, correct.
Yes. Omo ho bon by the day like
you finish.
After almost every day bia no timu say party no ho bon every day bia day no koso bia party no ho bon sanse omo mandate no omo ntime nye ntime de efutu amede be man MPP bia no say we should just focus na sa normal ye be chi obi atum den de ti omo nyina akotum upa akum bi e bia sipen na wa hwe say that normal be turning against you no so obi bimpo beka
Abeka, thank you.
me dance
Onyame sure Gary. Nyame ne okese wa ye ni nyina yeda wase. Odo wa no esi be fra ya de nyina user 6. Honorable Mpacho at your service. User. Okay, user anya ready there ye be fra ya.
So what do me speak and drama na me kasa mo nti no.
Ah, sorry for channel.
Hello, my joy. Now what is say?
Me jeju so adumu papa.
Mo nyina mo he de.
Ehu ye Christo adumu.
E de was. Na mo se de.
Wa bere pa me hwe wo a.
Ene wa wo hwe de ekoso ye da so ye awo maame. Wo hwe de da so ye ene de yesi galamse nsem wa de to ye so ene de wo hwe ye pa chew. Enu ne da so o mo pa chew wo. Ah. So mo do mu gusu ye mre wo mu. Omo de ye honorable yi.
Wa mo pe a cho se enye wo de.
Ah, say nsem o kan say enye no kre nti honorable beti o si no. It's a defamation of character nature say ono afi wo pacho because here say mo na mo start chichitum. Eti ada na mo amaka asem na afi wa udwa no.
Kojo pon kroma mo ane kojo pon.
Ai.
Opacho say.
Opacho, that is the new way. Baba Jama opacho. Ono kan yen so oboa. Ono kan yen oboa. Munim sabuti
Wo pan kroma na eye galamse ana asese.
I don't make and as say omo pacho.
Na so wo wanchi me mo ye.
There be oh some me can so wo mo no. Na minim say obeti ase afiri ho.
There be.
Say yeah dia me nka se wo mo.
Abi o si the pima me because
Matthias.
Me ni Ghana onti no ya na
I don't think that God save me shall say ho no come out credit da minia.
Okay.